Well, this has been kind of a crazy morning weather-wise in southeastern New England. Some very heavy downpours. We've been at the focal point of it here at Right Weather headquarters in Bristol, with it really coming down. I estimate we've picked up probably 2 to 3 inches of rain since earlier this morning, with it beginning shortly after about 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning, and continuing now into the noontime hour. Heavy showers and thunderstorms rolling through from west to east. That's the direction that everything's moving in. If you go to the options menu here on the radar, you can pick out these storm cells and then track the storms. You can also flip the lightning on and off, and that's not going to get every lightning strike that happens out there, but it will tell you where there's definitely some lightning occurring. Right now, this cell, which is in Warwick, moving to the east, and that's been basically what's been going on today, is that we've had this very heavy line of rain moving from the Washington County, South County, Kent County border all the way across the East Bay into Bristol and into Warren, Prudence Island, picking up a lot the northern part of Portsmouth, and then it stretches farther to the east into Fall River. More heavy showers and storms along the south coast. All this action is moving from the west to the east. So the good news is that we'll have some improvement take place during the late afternoon hours. I think a lot of these showers will be moving out. So that's something to look forward to. But in the meantime, we're going to continue to see these heavy downpours, and they will be advancing into southeastern Massachusetts. One thing I want to show you that's new here on the interactive radar, when you go to rightweather.net, you'll notice these yellow icons, these buoys showing up, and I've put these on with some updated information from the National Buoy Data Center. And you'll notice that the seas right now at that buoy south of Block Island already up to 8 feet. And you go a little bit farther to the south and check in on this one, seas of about 9 feet showing up. And these rough seas are coming off of a strong tropical storm, Leslie, which is about 1,200 miles off our coastline. That will be getting closer to our coast. No direct hit for us from this storm, but seas are going to continue to build. And I think by late in the weekend and early next week, we could be talking about some beach erosion taking place as a result of this consistent pounding of rough surf that we're going to see. So surfers are happy about this kind of situation, but homeowners along the shoreline, anyone with the beachfront in front of them is probably not going to like seeing a little bit of beach erosion taking place. So again, these buoys on here, you can check them out. Seas 9 feet at that's the Georges Bank buoy, and then this other one just to the north of Nantucket, where seas are not a big factor right now. But I've added these on there. I might add a couple more in there, and we'll leave them on there so you can always get a look at what is going on offshore as well as here in southeastern New England. Big picture, and this is what's going on with the tropical system. Category 2 Hurricane Leslie with winds of 110 miles per hour. That's the forecast for it when it makes its way toward Bermuda. Notice how close it comes to the island of Bermuda. Pretty much a direct hit if it follows in the middle of this cone. Now, it could be out to the east, could be out to the west. Let's hope it is on either edge of this cone, because if it's right in the middle, 110 mile per hour hurricane, and you can see that it's already a big storm, nearly a hurricane right now. So as it strengthens, it's only most likely going to get bigger. Already carrying seas around the center of this thing are about 20-25 feet, so that could be a very bad scenario that takes place for the island of Bermuda. Eventually, it's going to move off to our east and then up into Nova Scotia or into Newfoundland. We've got Michael here kind of meandering around in the central Atlantic. That may become a hurricane as well. And then this is actually a piece of the energy, if not the circulation, from what was once Hurricane Isaac. It's moved now from the north back down to the south and back into the Gulf of Mexico, really blossoming. It is going to drift to the east over the next couple of days, and that could regenerate into a tropical storm. So that would be a rare sight to see that happening. So plenty of action weather-wise. Again, follow us on Twitter at twitter.com/rightweather and facebook.com/rightweather. The free Right Weather app is available in the App Store for your iOS device, iPad or iPhone, and also on the Google Play Market for your Android device. Again, it's a free app that offers you everything from hurricane information, radar, video forecasts, as well as the updated 15-second forecast, some of the weather discussions that occur here on rightweather.net. So have a good afternoon. Rain showers finally tapering off by later on in the day. Be careful. Could be some ponding on the roadways, definitely through the midday hours. Much brighter weather is in the forecast for tomorrow. Don't forget to check out that 7-day forecast.